Tame the lawn with your phone, how Taskrabbit can spruce up your yard. Keeping your yard looking neat and tidy can feel like a constant battle. Between mowing, weeding, and trimming, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But what if you could reclaim your weekends and still have a picture-perfect lawn? Enter Taskrabbit, the handy app that connects you with skilled individuals called taskers to tackle those time-consuming chores. This article, created with the assistance of AI, will show you how to harness the power of your smartphone to transform your yard into an oasis, all through Taskrabbit. Getting started with Taskrabbit. Download the app. The first step is to download the Taskrabbit app, available for both iOS and Android devices. Create an account. Signing up is a breeze. You'll need to provide basic information like your name, email address, and location. Post a task. This is where the magic happens. Tap Create a Task and choose Yard Work from the service categories. Here, you can describe the specific tasks you need help with. Be as detailed as possible. Mention the size of your yard, if you have any edging or trimming needs, and if there's any yard waste removal required. Giving your yard the TLC treatment. Here are some specific yard work tasks you can delegate through Taskrabbit. Mowing and edging. No more wrestling with a lawnmower. Taskers can efficiently mow your lawn and give your edges a crisp, clean finish. Weeding and mulching. Tired of battling stubborn weeds? A tasker can banish those unwanted guests and replenish your mulch beds, leaving your garden looking vibrant. Trimming and pruning. Overgrown bushes and trees can take away from your curb appeal. Taskrabbit boasts skilled taskers who can safely trim and prune your greenery. Leaf removal and yard waste cleanup. Seasonal yard waste can be a hassle. Taskers can remove leaves, branches, and other debris, leaving your yard spotless. The benefits of Taskrabbit. Convenience. Everything is done through your phone, from posting a task to scheduling and payment. Pre-vetted taskers. Taskrabbit performs background checks and allows you to browse profiles, reviews, and ratings before hiring someone. Flexible scheduling. Choose a time slot that works for you, and get your yard work done on your schedule. Peace of mind. Relax and enjoy your free time knowing your yard is in good hands. Transforming your yard with a few taps. With Taskrabbit, a beautiful yard is just a few taps away. So ditch the yard work worries and reclaim your weekends. Download the app today and experience the convenience of having a dedicated tasker help you create a yard you can truly be proud of.